Hello, welcome back for lesson number 40. I put a title called Corner Drill. We need to drill 4 holes on the clock bell. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. So this is the result on the previous lesson. We have marked the point for drilling. So we will start backing operation by selecting back. After that, we want to create the hole set. Create hole. OK. We will go into the hole set creation circle, pick all the 4 circles, and then click OK. We will click OK to complete the hole set. Select the tool, loading the tool shape, set to drill, select 3mm twist drill, and then click OK. With that, this is the result on the selection of the drill. We need to set the tool number 4, and then click OK. Right mouse click, we need to edit the parameters. First is going to be the frame G54, continue with RPM and the feed rate. Update the drilling operation detail. You can see 10 is the maximum depth and then 0.5 is the balance material. Select the color, calculate. Looks good, let us go for verify. Set the frame G54, you can see Z is minus 9.5, which is to our expectation. Click OK. Click OK again. We're going to perform a solid verify and then use the analysis to check whether the drilling operation is okay. Looks good. Everything is to what we expected. Save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click the previous operation, collapse it, go to drill, backing, create, OK, change to circle, zoom in, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Click OK. OK again. Load the tool shape. Select drill. 3mm. OK. Set the tool number. OK. No, we're not going to calculate. Set the frame. G54. RPM 1002. Feed rate 150. This is 10. 0. Tip 0.5. 3. Display set to color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. G54. Can drag the drill. Z minus 9.5. Yes, to our expectation. OK. OK. Let us do a solid verify. Slow down. Play. Yes, this is what we want. Let us take a look. Visual. Zoom in. Take a look at the hole. Looks good. You can see the balance of the 4 holes. OK, to our expectation. Close. Close. We save the file. OK, thank you for watching. We will continue what we're going to do on this part at the next lesson. Bye bye.